Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making healthy honey chicken salad with cranberries. This comforting chicken salad is perfect for sandwiches or on top of toast. It's quick and easy to make and great for meal prepping. Let me show you guys how to make it. So first we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. So today we're using about a pound of chicken breast. And if you guys want to use chicken from a can, you can totally do that. And if you want to use like a leftover rotisserie chicken, that also works too. This recipe is super flexible. And so I just have our chicken breasts on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. And so because our chicken breasts are a little bit big today, I'm just going to cut them into some smaller pieces. And it doesn't really matter because we're going to chop all this chicken, so this is actually going to help save us time later. And now we're just going to add some salt and pepper. So now we're just going to bake this at 400 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes or until the chicken is done. So while the chicken is cooking, we're going to prep our veggies. So we have some celery, red onion, and purple cabbage. Once the veggies are chopped, then we're going to add them into a large mixing bowl. And then we're also going to add in our dried cranberries. So once all our veggies are chopped, we're going to set this bowl aside. And as soon as our chicken is cooled, we're going to chop it into small pieces and then add into the bowl with all the veggies. And what do you know, my pug has walked into the kitchen demanding a piece of chicken. There you go. Next, we're going to add in our mayo, then our mustard, and then our honey. Now we're just going to stir this up until everything is combined. And now the chicken salad is ready to serve. You guys can use this for sandwiches or on top of toast or just enjoy it all on its own. Make sure to store extra chicken salad in an airtight container in the fridge. It'll last for about 5 days. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy lunch recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.